Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Myomont Memory Foam Cervical Pillow. They did send me this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a nice and simple retail box. This is perfect for anybody sleeping with neck pain, ideal for side sleepers, back, and stomach sleepers as well. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. As you can see, we have the pillow in a bag with a nice card from Myomont letting us know that they'd love to hear from us if we ever have any questions. And they want to let you know upon receipt of this item, you may notice a fresh memory foam odor. If you do, it's not harmful and it will dissipate within a couple of hours. I don't really notice the smell sniffing it right now, so I don't think we have any odors to worry about here, but I'll be sure to let you know if for some reason I start to smell one. But I'm really excited to try this pillow out for you guys. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up to get it in its full form. So it took less than an hour for this memory foam to expand. You can see how nice it looks and its unique design right here. We got our lower lying area. Then we have our two high points with a nice ridge in between to support our neck. You can see it from the side right there. Looks great, and you can see it, how it kind of bumps out right there at the front. Here it is from the side. Nice side profile view for you. Really a cool pillow. We can flip it upside down too. You can see the zippable cover right here that you can remove. So we can zip it back. You can see the inside of this pillow with an additional cover right there protecting the memory foam for you. This outer cover is washable. Don't wash the memory foam though. We can lay on it right here for a sec, but really you want to lay on it the other way to support your neck. So we could do it from this side if we wanted to help also maybe, balance the weight on our shoulders as we're laying down, or we could lay on our back with our head right here. So let's go ahead and let's try it out right now. All right, guys, so I'm in bed right now, laying on my back, trying out the pillow. It's definitely made for your neck and your head with that support, which is really nice. So your head will fit perfectly in here to give you the support you need if you want to lay on your back, as I'm doing right here. Very comfortable. I'd say it's pretty firm, guys. Very firm memory foam pillow. I can lift my head up. You can see now it's back to its regular shape. It doesn't have that much give because it's contoured to your neck with the design of this pillow. We can also lay on our side too, just so you can see it. So we could put our head way down in here if we wanted. And then don't forget, we could do each side as well. So definitely a little bit higher right here versus the base that we have right here where our head and neck fit perfectly in. Then we can look at it from the other side too. So here it is. If you want to sleep on it from this side, you can, on the lower side. Or you could go up high if you wanted, further into the pillow. Or we could go on our back this way too. You're not going to have the support like you do on the other side, but this may be right for your needs and what you want with just a slight raising of your head and neck right here. So very flexible with what you can do with this pillow. You could even sleep on it with your arms underneath if you wanted, or maybe even tuck it in if you like to sleep like that too. So I'd say the pillow overall, quality construction, really nice. I don't want to give my personal opinion and take on the pillow because everybody has different sleeping needs. So I think the quality is great in there. You'll be happy with the memory foam and it should last you a very long time. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.